In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to add a marker to our map view. We need to add a marker here. To add marker, you can use the marker component. So add marker, just import it from React Native Maps. As simple as this. And this marker, you need to add it the latitude and longitude. So let's add this property, coordinate, and inside it, for example, let's add those positions, latitude and longitude to see. Now let's press save and see our app. Let's make our app here. Let's reload it. Now here's our marker. If you want to add to it a label and description, you can use those two properties. The title, let's make it my city, and description, here I live, for example. Now if you see this marker, look, we got here my city and here I live. So you can use those two properties. Now let's try to add another marker. So let's copy this code and paste it here. And let's make it my friend city. And the description, here friend live. Here my friend lives. Like this. And now let's try to change the latitude and longitude. So this changed for north to south position. So let us see what if I decrease this number. Look, for example, let's make it 6. 52.6. Look, it got to the top. What if I decrease it later and make it 4? Look, it become to the down here. Let's return it to 5. So this latitude for north to south position, as I've told you, you can think of it as the vertical. Okay, now this longitude for east and west, let's try to decrease it. For example, let's make it 13.2. Look, it moves to the left. Let's make it 13.35. Look, it moves to the right. And if you press on it, my friend city, and here my city. And let's check Android. I don't know what's wrong with Android. I think we need to rerun again. Yarn Android. I think it's a bug or issue in this package or something. Now look, it worked. I would like to mention two things. The first thing, you don't need to rerun your app when you make this GS code. I don't know. It's maybe issue with the package. It may be issue with the emulator. I don't know. But you don't need to rerun your app to see the changes, because we're not typing native code. We are just typing JavaScript code. And if you notice iOS, the change is done. Look, hot reload works. But in Android, I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, that was the first thing. The second thing I would like to mention, this latitude and longitude, there are shortcuts for them. For example, you can see from other resources, the shortcut for this is lat, and the shortcut for this is lang, like this. So if you see LAT and LNG, you have to know that this LAT refers to latitude and this LNG refers to longitude. Okay,